How to post 60-second story on Instagram. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to get the future of the longer stories on Instagram. So it's actually very easy to get this feature. All what you wanna do is just go to the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, like this. Let's open it. Now you have to go to the search bar and search for Instagram like this, and after you search for Instagram you will find this update option right here. All what you want to do is just click on this update and your Instagram is gonna be updated and the future of the longer stories is gonna be available in your account. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe.